In this video, we're going to try and come up with a quadratic equation where the vertex is at 1 across, 8 up, and the intercept must be 6. So our job is to find A, B, and C. So to do this, if you consider this, if you want to force a vertex to be at 1, 8, then you have to do this. Wait there. X, move 1 across, so that would be -1 squared, and then plus 8. So if I were to give you this, y equals x squared. So this is me forcing the quadratic to be at to be pinned where the vertex is pinned at 1, 8. And let me explain why. So if you consider y equals x squared, it will look like this. And then if you look at this x minus 1 squared, then you would move it across by 1. That's this 1 here. And then if you add 8, you will move the vertex up to 8. So currently our quadratic looks like this, at 1 across, 8. But we want it to be upside down, and we want the intercepts to be at 6. So by considering this, you're forcing the vertex to be pinned at 1, 8. So now, if you hang on, let me clean this up. If you stick a k in front of this is a trick. Stick a constant k in front of it. This k allows you to change the vertex, allows you to change the quadratic, because currently our vertex is pinned at 1, 8. Is pinned right here. This is our vertex. Now, if k is negative, it would be upside down. If k is a big positive number, it would just make it steeper. If k is even bigger, then it would be steeper. But the point is that if k is negative, it would do something like this. You see, depending on k, it changes the steepness of the quadratic. This is our intercept here. This is our intercept here. This is our intercept here. We want our intercept to be at 6. So the trick is to multiply this out, so that get this in this form, and then we can identify the intercept, because this is our intercept. So multiply this out. That's our next step. So to multiply this out, remember powers are more important, so you've got to multiply this thing out first and then times a k. So k, let me just multiply out this thing here. That would be this thing here. Hang on. Multiplying this thing out would be like this. This times this would be x squared. This times this would be negative 1x. And then you've got another negative 1x. So that would be negative 2x. Okay, so that would be negative 2x. And then this times this would be positive 1. So try to train yourself to be able to multiply this out in one go without having to do this. Okay, so multiplying that out will then give you this, and then you've got your plus 8. Now, this thing here is being multiplied with this block here. Leave the 8 alone. So now times this. So that would then be kx squared, and then minus 2kx plus k times 1 is k, and then you've got your plus 8. You see, this is now of this form. So so the intercept is actually this thing here. The intercept is actually this thing here, because this is your x, this is your x squared. We only care about the intercept being 6. So you can see that k here, looking at this, k must be negative 2 in order for it to have an intercept of 6. But in the future, this will be more complicated. So you might have to do something like this. K plus 8. I want to force it to be at 6. So what must k be? Well, I need to kill off the 8. So that would be negative 2 equals k. Anyway, k equals negative 2. That's our answer. K equals negative 2. That's our answer. So so the final equation would be this. Going back to this bit here, well, this whole thing here, remember our answer is k equals negative 2. So put negative 2 into here, negative 2 x squared, and then put negative 2 into the k. That would be plus 4x, and then single number, merge them together, that would be plus 6. You see, this is our final answer. This will then give us an equation where the vertex is pinned at 1, 8, and it will have an intercept of 6. Okay?